It doesn't matter what color. The color is just to help you see the movement better. Okay, so these are the directions. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start with my directions and try to show you how it works. So I'm just using a jar. I don't think it really matters. I've seen this in a wine glass. I saw it done in a scientific flask. I saw it done in just a cup. So I am going to use the same things that I've been using for all of my science experiments and use my empty candle jars, which have come in quite handy. I am going to, I think I'm just going to try half a cup to start. So I'll do half a cup of oil. I think that'll be enough. Putting that in. Half a cup of oil. And then I'm going to do the same amount of water. Somewhere I read that it was important to keep them the same amount, and somewhere I read that it did not seem to matter at all. So I was like, okay, well, I'll try to keep it the same. So now, okay, so now I should have oil on top and water on the bottom. So you can see there's like two different liquids. You can kind of see the layer between them, right? Oh, well, now I left, so. Okay. Now I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring, and I'll use red. It should sink. So I am going to just drop a bunch of food coloring. Ta-da! Okay. And it's water-based, so you can see how the whole bottom is now red, but the top is clear because it's water-based. All right. Ready for the magic? Can you see still? I hope so. All right, now what should happen is I'm going to break the Alka Seltzer tablet into pieces. So I'm breaking it up into tiny pieces. And then I'm going to drop it in. So fun. So it's really bubbling. I'm still trying to figure out if it's going to do what I've seen other people do. Still doesn't quite look as cool as it should. So it's supposed to look sort of like a lava lamp. is the goal. It doesn't seem like it's quite as cool as I thought it would be. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna try something real quick. I wonder if it will look different in another container. Ah, it does look a little bit different. Okay, so they're kind of separated again. You can see all the little like red spots. I bought a bunch of Alka Seltzer, so I'm not really concerned. I'm gonna add another tablet to see if it works. Again. Let me see if I add it slower. If that does, there we go. Or at least I see it on this side. Okay. Mine smells like baby powder. So. There we go. Kind of cool. There's a lot of like foamy stuff in the way. I wonder if that's because I'm picking it up constantly. You can see the droplets rise up. I wonder if a bigger piece of Alka Seltzer is better or worse. I don't know. The red is looking very much like blood, though. It's a little... Okay, I'm gonna try a bigger piece and see what happens. Ooh, just more. It's a lot of red on that side. Okay. So it seems like, I mean, if you want it to look more like it's all rising up around, the big pieces are good. But if you want to see the tiny little bubbles, the small pieces are better. I think it's weird that it's different on different sides. It does look kind of cool, though. Okay, so let me see if I can hold it still. There, now can you see the middle of it? I don't know. It's hard because it's all cloudy. But it does kind of burst up. I wonder if the vegetable oil works differently or not. So let's see. So a half cup of oil. I'll do another half cup of water. going to the bottom. I'll do green this time just so we can compare. Okay, so that's kind of interesting because oh, there goes the food coloring. Now it's kind of sinking down a little. Okay, and let's see what happens when I put the Alka Seltzer in. Okay. Let's see if it does. I think it does work a little bit better. I don't know. What do you think? It seems to work a little better. More bubbly. Can you guys see like all the bubbles on the surface? I don't know. Hold on. Can you see all the bubbles on the surface of it? Oh, there you go. Bigger bubbles. Okay, so that's interesting to know. Different types of oil have a slightly different reaction. There we go. You see it all? There we go. Okay. Very cool. So something for you guys to play with at home.